Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? So, Boy Cheesy from Lifestyle Podcast. Today in the studio, Spete, the one and only legendary dog. Black Diva is in the building.
Yeah.
Hello, Black Diva.
Hi, how are you doing?
We're good. How are you doing?
Good.
I'm fine, thank you.
Very happy to have you in the studio today.
I'm so excited.
Thank you for having me. I'm
I know
so
X is
happy
not gonna tell you, but yeah, you're his crush. Oh, he's all over this. He's all over the place.
That's about to cool Man, unfortunately, you spell Okay. I saw the statistics questions sometime, shortly, you wanna know just a couple of things, yabo. Ukuthi ubani Black Diva? Who is Black Diva? Phela bakhona mhlambe abantu ababesizo abazindaba ukuthi itakle kodwa bengazi ukuthi itakle le iphuma.
Yini ngahle kahle.
Who is Black Diva? I mean,
Black Diva is an artist, a comedian. Yeah, I was born and bred in Shangan Mine.
Oh, Shangan.
Yes.
Okay.
But at the moment, I'm based in SA, Egoli.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay. When did all start, Kazi?
Okay, it started back then in the village.
Okay.
I'm a village girl.
Oh, damn.
Yes, by the way, I'm a village girl.
But you look like someone from England.
Someone from the burbs.
Hey, goodness gracious. I know I'm a village girl, like 100% village girl. So yeah, I grew up in the village, raised by my maternal grandparents.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm the second born in my family, in a family of 6.
Okay.
Yes, so second born actually.
Okay.
Yeah, to my mom, I'm the first born.
Okay.
Yes.
Makes sense.
So you're the most talented one in the family.
We are all talented, but in our fields. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, it makes sense. So, ufunde lapho vele Shangan, then you grew up there. So.
Yeah, I went to Shangan Mine Primary, and then I went to Shangan Secondary. Then I then went to Globe High.
School.
Yes.
Okay. So
I also went to Mbembe CSO Gini only for a term.
Okay.
Yeah, that was lower.
But your English, man.
International, man.
Even the pronunciation of words, it's giving, man. Okay.
Another level.
So what exactly inspired you to become an artist, dog?
I think being an artist, to me, it's a calling.
Okay.
Yes. No one inspired me. Nothing inspired me. It was a calling.
Okay.
Passion called, and I answered.
Okay.
So it's passion.
Yes.
No inspiration.
No.
No role models.
No, nothing.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. So you follow your passion.
Yes, I followed my passion.
So okay. So ilento vele calling le ifike mhlambe usesikolo obulele endlini ufike lapho usebhasini ngokuflight usemzansi ifike kanjani the calling fethu?
So mina ukucula ngiqale ngimncane.
Okay.
Ngiyakhumbula back then ngoba sengike ngathi uthi ngikhulele emakhaya. So bengiloku maphezulu kwesiduli kulesiduli ekhaya. Benisiya kuma ngoba indawo engathi iqansile. Benisiya kuma phezulu kwesiduli ngicule ngikuwe like lokho yana like you know.
Like sinkwazi khona sifuna idola.
Izakhamizi zizicomplain ukuthi bakithi kulomntwana wakomleya umntwana lwana bakithi uhlale bangumsindo. Sometimes ngibona ukuthi hayi isiduli ngathi asingenzeli sharp ngeke uma phezulu kwesiluku senkukhu. Yo. Ngihlabele ngime phezulu kwesiluku senkukhu and then I'll feel better after that because so ngisho la se primary esikolo benguchoir. I was a choir leader at primary. I was also a choir leader at secondary. So yes, that's where it all started back in the village.
Okay.
I remember a Sunday school. Ezayoja. Yeah, it started way back then when I was still a child.
Okay.
A little baby.
what came into mind manje ma usuthi manje I want to get in the studio and start pushing my passion?
What happened is I was not confident enough because of my background.
Okay.
I was never confident. I'm just a village girl. Noma ngaze ngithi ngifuna ukucula mbani onganilalela.
Lezi zinto zabantu besikhiwo.
Ngezabantu baseHarare la koBulawayo. You understand edolobheni. So mina ngoemakhaya. No one is going to give me an ear. Anyways, let me just nje ngiziculele ngisendlini. Sometimes I would like play a song by any artist. Mhlambe ngizwe ngathi no man, maybe he or she could have like done this, or chorus she could have like, okay, correct ngoma ngiwani ngize ngiphume le remix sort of ekhanda lami. So I started writing my own songs ngiziculele nje ngisendlini until one day umsisi was asking me, Diva, you know what, do you know that you're talented? I said, bruh, no, come on. I just, no, please, if you get a chance, just go to the studio, record, just give it a shot. I like nje yabona, because I was not confident.
Self-esteem was low.
Yes, ngathi I know I can't. Yabona mawubheka sisilabana kuma TV ubabona ibahle banjani njani yabona I know I want no. Abantu bazanhleka, abantu bazathini ngami.
Okay.
So
because I was checking here your first track isn't no, it's not your first track actually, but
one
the
of
one
the
2022
yes,
the track is it I'm at 2000.
Yes, but that's true. But
true. You didn't release that track, is it?
I didn't release that track for some reason. No, it was poor quality. Ngangiyenzele nje studio nje esi yabona. This ama studio nje abafana babesaqala labo nje besafundela labo ku producer.
Okay.
So ayayingalungiswanga ngendlela lami ngahlala phansi ngayilalela. The delivery was good, but the production was poor.
The mastering and stuff.
Yes, so I thought I'm just going to keep this to myself. Zabe ndalalisa abangani bami ku WhatsApp, emagroupini. I remember I was in this other group. Abantu baqala ukungihleka bathi, "Hey, omunye uzenza artist ngengoma eseculator ku WhatsApp." And that really got into me. Ngathi, you know what? I will do better next time.
That was motivation.
Yes, that was a big motivation for me.
Yeah. And then you went on to release a project. It was a dancehall track actually.
Yes.
Actually did good. Is it?
Before the dancehall track, I think I did like almost 5 songs that were not released.
Yeah.
Due to the same reason. Yes, the quality was very poor. I remember I paid something like 200 rands just to record those tracks. And I paid 1,000 for like 5 tracks. Yeah, so I could just go and record because I didn't have much knowledge about music. That music is about quality. I just went to, as long as I recorded.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So umakoko yenu bethini mayekubona mhlambe ungathi udlala phela ngiyabaza abadala mfethu don't just believe in this stuff.
Yes.
The moment you start getting into this industry, kuba lokuthi ubani wakini mhlambe kwabakhona kule industry successful kuzoba la influence of drugs and everything. So when was the reception at home?
Okay, from Ekaya, my mom was a backing vocalist ka Andy Brown.
Oh,
yes.
Now I see, boy. Yo. Okay.
Yeah, umama ke wasebenza lo Andy Brown. Omalume la bekhaya babe le band. Yeah, ababe ukhulu wami wayeshaya iflute.
Yo, mfana. I'm sure khona futhi weshaya iflute mfana weshaya ukhwelo. Nomunye weshaya ingunga and stuff, ne? Okay. So it was easy for them to understand you, ne?
Yeah, so when I did my first song, ngayilalelisa ugogo. Ugogo wami told me, you know what?
Vithini first song talk, come on talk. Ngathi ngiyambona ugogo seyilalela.
Yeah. Which song was it? Ingilombuzo ma.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
that was the song.
Why not so touching?
Yeah, I'll explain a bit about that song. So gogo ngase ngimlalelisa ingoma lenithi ngilombuzo ma. She sat down with me. That time bese Goli ube why we Goli. That's him mzukulu wami. I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to bless you. And I'm going to bless your music. Ugogo wami, she's like a mom to me. She's the mother that I have. Yeah, she's everything. She's my world. She's my rock. I just think ngiyakuvusisa in this journey of music, from the deepest core of my heart.
Yo.
Yes. So ugogo wasembusisa, and I believed in her words, and I'm here standing tall because I want to make her proud. Ngicela nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu angcinele yena, ngimjabulise abone iphupho lami lifezeka.
She's gonna definitely she's gonna watch this podcast.
Of course. Yeah,
I believe.
Big shout out to
Yes,
Gogo.
Shout out to Magogo. Shout out to every Magogo out there.
Yes.
Okay. Then moving on. Then wasusuka waya recorder maybe lapho wabona khona wafeel like now this is the beginning of the whole shit.
Yeah.
All along I was trying and erroring and everything.
But
man, I can feel the presence, man.
Yes. So what also gave me the power and the motivation when I went to the studio for the first time. Hayi umane babe ngakabi khona ku picture. Yeah, babe ngakabi khona ku picture. So mthema se studio recording. Kahle. Okay, my first track, it was a collabo. There was a friend of mine, ubecula, but at dance hall. She said to me, I'm an artist. I said, you're an artist. And I told her, I've always been wanted, being fun by artist. Yes, but manje angazi where to go. I don't know where to start.
Yeah.
So I said, no, don't worry, I'll come. You will select a record corner.
Okay.
So ingoma lana I recordile. I felt like kulente shota ingoma liana. Then I told her, can I give you a verse and nje sithi vava vom nje kancane? But no, it's okay.
Comes to vava vom, ngiyakutema mbona matona live.
So hamba sonke studio, ngayafaka verse. So the guys were in the studio. They started like yeah.
Okay,
hyping you up.
Yes.
I was like, okay.
So this is it.
The response was amazing.
Yeah, damn.
So ngithe mangisuka lapho ngisiya endlini, ngiqeda nje kufika endlini bamfonela, Diva, kulo guy ofuna icollabo lawe usibani like she's good, with her like they love your work. Can you come and do something with them? So I did collaborations before I released something of my own.
Okay. Ngaleso sikhathi ubusungu Black Diva yini or ubusesengu Precious ngumbusicephe or
Okay, ngaleso sikhathi hayi ngangakabi ngu Black Diva. Actually I used to call myself Diva Lee.
Okay.
So how I got that name, la ngavela lalo esikolo, because abantu they believed you're a diva, because I used to thanda ukujiva ukwenzani yabona. So I said you're a diva, and because I'm Leslie, that's a shortcut.
Well, then
Lee.
Then the black part now, because when I heard about Black Diva system,
yes,
what came into my mind is black cough. So man black cough, and that guy's dark, man.
In my mind,
so I see yellow boy so the black part, you wanna understand the black part, because not black that I am.
Okay, how I came with Black Diva, we had a conversation with the dominant one. He's the biggest producer in SA. He has produced music for Abo Maklera Doughboy. Yes, Labangenji. So we had a conversation, and he said to me, Diva, what's your stage name? I'm using Diva Lee. What's he? Nah, that's way too, it's too simple for you. Why do you say that? What? Bruh, on the mic.
Yeah, man.
You're fire.
Yeah.
And that name is like way too simple for you. I'm like, okay, what do you think? No, let's come up with something.
Yeah.
And then he, suggesting names. Then Black Diva, Blake came in my mind.
Okay.
Like, how about, because I didn't want to take away that Diva.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
That
the
Diva to me, it's like, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so he said to me, okay, that sounds really great. Black Diva.
Black Diva.
And I believe like Black, that word black is power.
Yeah, black. Man. Yeah, black is beautiful.
Yes.
No,
yes,
but
yes.
not too much black, yeah, that light black, Yeah. But
yes, that's how we came up with the name Black Diva.
Okay. We need to add something on that one. Yellow diva, yellowish nyan, understand? Yeah, okay. Then, I want to understand. Yabo lengo mangithatha intwana yami yabo le umajayivana yo angijayivanga jo. Yo, how did you come up with that song?
Okay, ukhulu wami ekhaya, ukhulu bethanda ingoma zamajayivana. Kakhulu. He passed on, may he so rest in eternal peace.
Rest in peace, Mkhulu.
So wayithanda ingoma zikaMajayivana. So every time I miss him, I would listen to ingoma zikaMajayivana. And I also grew to love Majayivana, throughout Ukhulu. And then I thought one of these days when I was listening to one of his songs, Uzak Fagobi, and I thought, man, this was this was a banger.
Yes.
What if I can do something,
making that song, do you know what is gonna blow up like this? Because it's one of the biggest songs that we have in Africa, actually. Yeah. And abantu abaningi bakwazi ngomajayivana, let's be honest, dog.
That's true. That's very true. Yes, uqinisile khonapho. Mina, to me, okay, ukuthi it was going to be a hit song. I wouldn't say I'm so sure about that. No, I'm not so sure. Yes, but I had this hope that it's going to be a big song.
Okay.
Ubaba Majayivana being the legend. I respect him so much. He's an icon. Yeah. I look up to him. Yes.
So
that's one person you say you look up to.
It's one of the people. Yes. Okay, sure.
Hi, Baba Majayivana.
It's not Tekazering. Okay.
All right.
Yes.
But your first track isn't the Zidin dancehall track, the one you sang was it in Shona?
Yes, online. That's my first track.
Online.
So when finally a mix, let's Shona. Listen to well. So kahle vele okay, okwenza like uthi come together with mixing and stuff, mix my languages. That is crazy, dog. Because yabona bamba abantu abaningi, umuntu okuphila kuphi as long as you're in Africa, you can hear something, you can get something. Ndebele is related to Izulu, yabo, and the langapha emashoneni likhona ntwana. Like yini lethe yonke le good mindset.
I believe in love. And love is not just loving you. Love is expressing, extending your heart to not only to one people, but to people. Because namangula, that's how I express myself. And I feel like I have to share what I have with everyone. If I could, speak Tonga, Nyanja, or Venda, trust me, I would sing in Venda. To me, it's a way of expressing love
to everyone.
Yes, it's a way of exactly. So. Yeah.
Okay. When I must shine la fungufundisa Chinese, yabo. For Chinese.
You can sing in Chinese.
Yes. Ni hao.
We love that. Then just I'm fine. I know we had a lot of.
Hey, I have a lot of questions. I have a lot of questions.
Feel free.
But then I want us to go back to that your track, Ngilombuzo. You said you were gonna
give us
a short explanation.
Yes, sure thing. So how I wrote that song, I was in pain.
Okay, what was the question?
I was very emotional. So mina, like I said, ukuthi ngikhuliswe ngugogo lokhulu. Mina umama ngamgcina when I was only 4 years old. Abana wami, they were only 6 months old. Umama nje wahamba. Bathi sebehlukene lo baba umama wahamba just like that. So there was never a day she wrote a letter. There was never a day she called. Samzulu ukuthi she's in South Africa. Well, okay. So mina ngiphile impilo ebuhlungu ngoba what I went through, I wouldn't even wish my enemy's child to go through what I went through growing up. So yeah, I remember I started working when I was in grade 3. Ngisiya kwenza marriage emasimini abantu, ngisahlakulela abantu ukuthi sithola ukudla bese ngabantwana labantu ukuthi siyahlaliswa phansi usapho kahlala meeting ecela abantu ukuthi bakithi labantwana bakozibani olesepa kumbole anything to eat or just anything you feel like it's going to help, please, siyacela. So sometimes we go to school barefooted ngojuni kubanda. I remember mina esikoleni we used to walk 10 kilometers to go and 10 kilometers back.
20 Ks.
So 20 Ks a day. Kanza maqaqa sehla sisenyukela sikhilikithela. So yeah.
Okay.
And
so
to me,
that thing yakubamba kakhulu.
Yeah, and kwangilimaza kakhulu ngaphakathi ngoba as an eldest child ngathi ngoba maybe ngimdala.
To take responsibility.
So wonke umthwalo wabasemahlombe ami.
At a young age.
Yes, I was a mom, I was a father. I was supposed to protect my young sisters at all cost. So ugogo la besekhulile and ngikhulele besingatholi angeke ngithi besithola bekunzima. I don't wanna lie, kwakunzima kakhulu ngaleyo ndlela. So ngithe mangibala ngilombuzo every word that I said on that song that's my life story. That's my life story. So yeah, uma ngize we reunited when I was 18. That's when she came back. So yes, I thought I should write this song ngimtshela kusenhlizweni yami ukuthi ngibhodle ngikwazi ukuthi lami ngimxolele ngimamukele futhi back empilweni yami kodwa ubuhlungu engahlangana labo lobunzima engahlangana labo kuhleli nje njalo nje kusenhlizweni yami. Angazi if I will like forgive and forget. It's just hard because I feel like somewhere I could have someone I could be someone better in life. Maybe I could have been a lawyer, have been a doctor, because academically I was doing well. But because of the challenges that I faced, it was really hard for me at times even to ngithola imali school fees. Bengisiyahlakulela abantu emasimini ngithola imali ye-fees. Amabhuku mina bengizithengela. Holiday abanye abantwana kuthiwa kuyiwa ku holiday mina bengikade ibhasi ngisiya Harare ngisiya babysitter mhlambe ngize la koBulawayo ngisebenze and then imazivulwa I go back knowing that my young sisters they also need uniforms, they need stationery, everything, nje it was all on me. I think like nje kwanilimaza kakhulu ngisho nje even like even ungomzimba I was ngathi bengomile because even ungakhangela abana wami you may think they are older than me but they are even young, they are younger than me. So like kwanilimaza kakhulu in many ways, mentally, emotionally, in many ways, but I'm not complaining or regretting. Why me, God? I think it molded me to a woman that I am today.
Powerful.
It shaped me to a person that I am today. Yes.
So Marco, has she ever gotten the chance to listen to that song?
So when I released that track, I sent it to her. She blue ticked me. She never said anything. She never commented or.
So she was crying. She was even bitter, man.
Yeah. So what I did, I thought maybe I resent it again. Is she gonna say anything? But she still didn't say anything. Yeah.
So do you think that like inspires your creative process, like even till now?
Yes.
Your childhood, your experiences and everything.
Exactly, because I got to mature at a younger age. A lot of people, they always say, Diva, you sound like a 40-year-old. I know. It's because I matured early.
But I feel like it's a process that made you the person that you are today. You understand?
Yes.
Sometimes mama was present for you, was relax somehow. Of course, you might blame. Okay, I like the point that you said don't blame God for that. Maybe we plan to take you somewhere. I understand.
Yeah.
So I think you might find the way. Maybe because
I'm sure even that song, like there's a lot of girls out there who relate to that song.
Everybody, a lot of people, man.
Yeah. If maybe I don't know if maybe she's listening.
Yeah.
I love her. Ngamxolela yazi kubhlungu ukuxolela umuntu ongazange akucela uxolo.
Yeah, of course.
Because I was hoping that when she came back from South Africa she's going to sit down with me and at least just apologize and but we never heard that thing. We still don't have a bond.
I like the fact that ozange waluzi hope mama it wasn't present for you. You stood up for your young sisters.
Yeah.
Baba, next parent.
Exactly.
I like that. Then Utet was there and it.
No.
It was touching.
Yeah.
Man.
It was really tough.
He was never there for me. Like he was never, not even for a day. Like we are a certain thing abantu abami, but he knew that he has 3 kids. So yeah, he was never there. Also, I can't really blame yena because sometimes abafazi itesinika amadoda ipush to say abantwana bakho. But if the mom also is reluctant and if she doesn't care, I think men will also okay. They I feel like they go with the flow in most cases.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's normal or it's good, but yeah.
In most cases, it's like that.
Yeah.
Yo, it was very touching.
Really
parents out there, please take care of your kids. It's very bad. Okay, moving on. Black Diva. Sika sathola amanye ama-diss lapha ku-social media fethu yatatazela mfana social media ngo-Black Diva.
It's been trending this past few weeks.
Yabona uvusela abantu abaningi umsebenzi yabo la nto siwasinikeza umsebenzi.
I think we needed that.
Yabo I was trying to understand something yabo. The very good meaning of itakla before going any further.
Okay, itakla imboza.
Oh! Ha! Imboza. Okay. So lapha mawuthi abantu bathula itak. Ayimboza mfana ngathi is soft man. I love the word that you used. Itak. Kahle ubekufikele emqondweni ngoba ngiyakuzwa ukukhuluma ukuthi abantu bakhala ngokuthi they are not supported and stuff like that. Do you think for sure abantu bona bacula itak or because lapha you're referring to the people abasemathebeleleni ne kahle specifically amandebele mhlambe lamakhala and the other people but the people from Mathebelele don't you think let's say H-Town mhlambe kuboharare ngale itak likhona?
Okay, yeah, that's true.
But ingabe too much.
Itakla ikho kuphela eMathebeleland, ayikho kuphela eZimbabwe, eHarare. It's everywhere.
But lapha ngathi too much, ngathi lapho esuka khona.
Lapho too much.
Okay, okwangiphusha ukuthi ngize ngikhulume about that. There was an interview I saw eka DJ Sparks.
Yeah.
Khulume sithi yena vanhu vekuMathebeleland munondibohwa stereki nekuti amusapotani. Zvinondibohwa because mune majealous, munoitirana majealous. Support your own. That's what he said. If I can rephrase his words, he said, "You don't support your own." Mandebele mune moyo yakashat. Isn't something like Linhliziyo ezimbi.
Yeah.
Sort of, yes. And then I was like, hayibo.
That's not true.
Kanti ukhuluma ngamaNdebele aphi lo? Ukhuluma ngamaNdebele aseGoli yini kumbe lapha ekhaya? Wazi wanika umzekeliso wathina uma 9 alizange limnikeze isupport. I was like, okay. Ikho yawasombuza ukuthi kanti why abantu besiyakhala ngokuthi why do you guys have to blame your fans for your own failures?
Okay.
So nalifuna ukuthi mina what I was trying to say is lina so ama artist ivideo lana ngangikhuluma lama artist hayi ama fans.
Okay.
Bengingakhulumi ngokweyisa futhi angithi mina ngazama ukubeka ngendlela nje ukuthi like
kuthi
ngizama ukukhuza ukuthi hayibo guys, sometimes we have to appreciate as artists our fans. They support us. They use their own data, their own energy, their own time to support our music. Sibuye lapha kuma social media sibe sibablame sithi they don't support us. In most cases mawule talent, people they can't ignore the talent.
Of course.
But kodwa mawucula idoti uzahlala ukhala mina abantu abanisupport mina manje bakithi ngaze uzahlala ukhala kanti lifuna abantu badla imboza lifuna ukufunza abantu lithi dlani loba kukubi kumele badle kuphela
izinto esikhona short idoli
kodwa
idoli likhona emakhaya.
So okay into lapha nami ngenzama
we express and then
they took it the wrong way, is it?
Some of the people bathatha ngenye indlela in a very different way. I think bakhona abanye abantu abacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bakhomba ngomunye kodwa uchiswa isicathulo sokuchisa njani ungasiqokanga.
Exactly.
So mina and the shame nganga
I think labantu ade bekhala ngawo ukuthi le message ihambe to the right people ne. Kanjani?
It's fair.
Yeah. Because there's no way go to because bakhona of course bakhona why ungacomplainanga mhlambe some of the guys who are doing well like to be honest angangezwe mhlambe one of the guys from Monetization complaining about this maybe khona complaining maybe kwangikhoda but I know those guys that are doing well dog.
They're doing people
love them and
people are supporting them
and they never complained unless makwangikhoda angithi but there are some of the guys who complained pa
and they say about but we won't mention names.
I won't mention the names, dog. We're not scared of them. Okay, no mention names. So
moving right along now. There's my 9.
900.
Was it?
How did you all start? No, 9, sure.
Yeah.
Kuthana kuphi?
Okay, so how it started Loma 9
ungibalo tele omunye.
Wangidelela kakhulu mana.
Mana
900.
Mana
What happened?
Okay, what happened?
How did it all start?
Okay, my name wabuya ku comment section ku TikTok and wabe sithi usidelelisa ngabantu.
What? Lapho vele kutaki.
Okokuqala his comment was vague. Ngimdelelisa ngabantu ngibadelelisa ngabantu njani?
Which way?
Yeah.
Wena mawucula into ezilengqondo people angeke bakudelela nti.
Yeah.
Okay, shaba ngasithulela nti. Ngathi hayi yazini ma 9. When you are an artist and asenza so ungakhulumi kakhulu. Wayeseloke bangumsindo ku comment section esikhulume sesenzani. Yabona sebhala lama post ku Facebook wathi Black Diva lo kanti uthini. You understand?
Yeah.
Hayi ngendlela enhle, ngendlela yokweyisa.
Okay.
Wathi Black Diva lo uthini.
Who is Black Diva there?
Ngasenza hayi mana inasenza so. Ungabe sakhuluma kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ama-artist abakhulumi kakhulu abali ngomlomo. Sambe studio.
Woza la. 900 woza la. Wamlethu mayini.
Wabe lokho poster futhi.
Usumkhuzile.
Wabe lokho poster. Manje yabona ngase hayi ngaphinda futhi ngathi like I said angeke futhi mbanga
I remember I saw one of your videos usithi mana inoza la ufuna la studio
so ngase ngibona ukuthi akamane ngaliphela kafuni ngangena e-studio ngabe ngimenzela i-video mina mana into yeke lokho ukukhuluma kakhulu my name studio.
Okay. So how is the energy? You go to, hey, I like this thing of beefing, you know.
It's the biggest, that's the biggest piece so far. I think
man.
Rivera,
I think you guys are creating content for us, you know, big time, you know.
It's massive.
Yeah.
That's entertainment that you know.
Yes.
So, when what about studio?
Kahle ngathi hayi thina senjani asingene e-studio.
But ngikaze ngitaka lenyaka akayikho. Ngiyadala bona mfethu. Ngiyadala mfethu. Okay. And then like what respond and usually one of the checks like manayintaka. Yeah. I'm gonna yo lapha nobuzenenye lapha ya. Lapha uzenenye lapha ya. Then umanyini uyakurespond. I saw one of the videos responder. This is a Black Diva kwasha kwacima. So should you expect something from you towards Manai?
Sorry, I beg your pardon. You said?
I mean, should you expect something from you to against Manai or ngithi towards Manai ngathi against mapping? Abantu abaxabana. What abantu abaxabana kahle kahle.
We are cool. We are okay. We siyakhuluma.
You talk.
Yeah, understand siyakhuluma. Yeah, mina into kuphele ngayisola ukuthi Manai. Phela wena the way you're commenting ngakhona as someone engikhuluma laye. If ngenza iphutha bekumele ukuthi uzeke imithi Black Diva lapha intwana la ubhayizile
in a private box.
Yeah, understand. So khona khana ukuthi yena manje wabuya ku comment section ya ku TikTok manje nga understand into ayidinga.
Yeah.
Ngawunikeza into ayidinga. Yabona.
And you're still gonna get more.
And yabo isamnike I mean isiyakunikeza if you want to
ask and you shall receive.
Ask okay.
So like it was
simnikile sokungcono lama numbers sokungcono kuma 9 lama numbers
akhuphukile.
Lama numbers sokungcono.
Yo.
My Black Diva, mfethu yazi mina don't understand you. Are you using chuchu? Because your thing started right now my wapitha Manai wapitha nje abantu abaphatho
people here for the longest
in
time
a short space of time.
Small girl be God. It's grace.
Don't ask for the
It's grace.
Takales. Okay.
Alright.
So how do you monetize your brand?
How do I monetize my brand? As in
like obviously you are an artist. Mhlambe sesingathi you get bookings kanti awathola kulenye indlela othola ngayo imali. Obviously this is a business, isn't it? Yeah.
You yourself, you are a brand.
How do you monetize on your brand? How do you get income? Because this is where, come on, you can't be in the studio every day singing my 900, my nini and stuff for nothing.
Yes. Ngiyasebenza, yes.
Okay.
I'm a virtual assistant at the moment, yes.
Okay. But is the brand paying it or is giving?
About my brand, it's yes.
So my question now isn't, we've had a couple of artists here, and most of them, if not all of them, they're raising this point, like it's hard being an artist, especially a lawyer artist. What do you have to say on that?
Actually, Matipelele. Yeah.
Because most of them isn't, like you can't depend on art.
No, you can't. Music, I think music is like investing. In music, you have to invest. You invest in music. Yeah, it's a long-term investment. But if it starts to pay, it really pays. Yes.
So I think the problem is with these artists, when they wanna like get gain there and there.
Music ayubhadali khonapho lami nje angeke ngithi imusic sibili sensidla ngayo ukuthi sibili sengayekela konke engikwenzayo
and rely on it.
But sisendleleni khona.
So in terms of investment, like, because I've seen your videos, like your visuals are they top class, and I feel like most of our artists they lack that. Because when you can't produce
enye into iyangomuntu Black Diva muhle dog.
Yambona.
She's cute, man.
But also like
fanele for impahla yabona ikhamera yamvuma lo nto.
You should take notes, guys. You should take notes because now when you can't release a music video low quality and expect people to go and view that video.
We live in a world whereby people don't.
Music is about it's about quality.
Yeah.
When people
quality is
everything.
Yeah.
I feel like when people they don't like what they see, they don't listen to what you do.
So like this thing of fans not supporting,
mina ngifuna kuyizwa into leyo ukuthi abantu bakithi abasupport. Guys abantu bakithi basupporta. I know guys. Abantu bakithi basupporta. Ngiphinde futhi amandebele they support makusupporteka. Abantu lingabafunzi ukuthi dlana kuphela loba kungadleki kubaba ukuthi abantu kabadle kuphela.
Ngoba kwangini.
Yeah, thina ama artists ithomele sisebenze nzima. To serve people good food. Yes, healthy food.
Participate nango dlala.
Uyabona? Ngicela ukubuza maybe mina like ilaphana ngeze ngikhulume ku video ngazama ukulaka unike example ukuthi okay for example sigcine nini ukubhala hit song ephume kithi eMathebeleland
long time mina vela ama hit ithi ngizengayizwa ngenye le kamajayivana ama hit agcina kudala to be honest
sifaka irumba eceleni singayifaki irumba because kurumba kuhlala kusibala ama hit
so
there was this kuchata chata hit Kuchata chata by you know the song Kuchata chata. That genre I'm not into rumba, but you see that genre. Those guys they're doing their things. Bayenza into yabo. Also eat iyaphuma kuphela.
Yeah, eat you can feel that this is a hit.
Go rumba ama hit. But thina ngapha kwamanye ama genres. Hey, kumatima but yeah, that's you can ngazama ukukutsho ukuthi yeah.
So when as an artist like which like which difficulties have like encountered so far?
Because this is a male-dominated industry, as a female, we are always portrayed as members of weaker sex.
Okay.
Exactly. Yes. They take us as important.
Okay.
That's my perspective. Angazi. So meeting people trying to take advantage of you, especially men.
Somehow.
Yes, okunye ama finances. Like I said, ukuthi music ilesikhwameni. Kakhulu khonapho financially. That's like my biggest challenge.
But thina singamajita we love amantombazana, like especially when you're trying something we try by all means to support you. Especially on social media. Amachita. Okay, let's say mina ngu Black Diva umchita lawo Black Diva the original ne. Okay, we do something here, okay. Thola ukuthi mina ngizoyishaya ngendlela egrand ne. But if might find ukuthi at the end of the day when as an intombazana we'll get more. Mina I get less.
Why so? Why?
In terms of what?
And in terms of everything, actually, in terms of support, like, I'm Tomazana. I feel like if you are a teacher, a female teacher, it's easy to blow up. If a female artist, it's easy to blow up.
I'm not want to differ with that one. Jeez.
Yeah, I'm also, I'm not in motion with you on that one.
Because if you say so, how many DJs do you know? Let's say SA, for instance.
Yes.
It's mostly male guys. Not to say you would see, but there's female DJs also. So it's like back to that point, isn't like you can't expect people to support you if when that interview
exactly.
You see, because now we have there's a lot of DJs or DJs in TXC, you see, like just like here, there's one name of female artist. There's plenty of them. But
okay.
Shit.
Nice.
Excuse my French. You see,
okay,
and then we got Black Diva here. She's pushing though. Like
it's
check
one
the
of the
visuals
best.
on
Actually,
YouTube.
it's one of the best It's one of the best talking.
So like I feel like
it's killing the shit, even in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Who else can you talk about in Zimbabwe if not Black Diva?
So I mean, to my point, I feel like it has nothing to do with each end of this thing. Just produce good quality, good stuff, and people will support.
Yeah,
simple as that.
If you're good, you're good, man.
If you're good, you're
yes,
good. Mr. Sinkwa.
What's your take about on this Sinkwa's corner study dobe? I washa kwacima but kule dobe lesinkwa but angathi akuhlangananga kahle.
Okay, I love Usamanko.
But how about what about this work?
You know what I love about if I say I love Usamanko, which means I'm including his.
Inclusive.
Yes, it's inclusive.
So Usamanko, is he an artist or what?
So to me, Usamanko, if I listen to his songs, it's like unginikeza comedy and you know
but let's be honest, there are some of the people that we support them ngenxa yokuthi they are Ndebele people, so I support ngenkani. Those guys were supporting. Let's be honest, Diva. Diva.
Okay.
Ungayi pride play. Shit sikhuluqiniso ne.
Okay.
Labantu bakhona abantu sebasupporta ngenkani. There's nothing that you ngoba ngabakithi akukho umuntu osimeleyo mhlambe here yabo. There's nothing like Sinko's corner short it. What's that?
Okay.
Diva
ngabe aba-complain and ukuthi ba-support. Okay, on Isinkwa's corner short that's like comedy.
That's comedy.
Yes. Maybe it's singing comedy. Like music uyahleka. Like he's an entertainer. That guy is an entertainer, that guy.
Like,
yes.
Like
for example,
it's poor plus fun. So
it's fun. Yes. It's very fun.
Like
for example, Captain Britain. Do you know Captain Britain, right?
Yeah.
What comes in your mind when you are listening to Captain Britain?
Okay.
What's your reaction when you are listening to his songs?
Comedy.
Okay. What do you do? Like when you're first, what do you do? You laugh, right?
Yeah, of course, but
like,
so
would you refer to those people as artists or like content creators? That's my question now.
They are artists in their own way. That's
art.
being artist. Yeah, that's art.
Okay.
That's their art.
But you can't group those people with
the good thing about them, you know what?
Yeah.
They are not imitating anyone. They're doing their thing. They're different.
Okay, but you cannot group those people with the real artists. You mentioned
yeah.
Okay, fine. I think lapana kutakla lapana. Bakhona abantu mhlambe lawa othema uthi capture a picture ne bakhona abantu obabone this is a tag and they are crying better support kodwa itag. I think it's cool if you can just give us 1 or 2 nyana but ungabe 15 years vele there more than
just 1 or 2.
Njenge artist omunye lo munye azazela. Trust me. Uyazazela. So kungaba inkani yakho kuphela ukuthi just go back to the studio ngiyecula. I mean there's social media nowadays kulula. There's social media. People they always say out their minds. They know, trust me.
Yeah.
They know. Abantu phela mina trust me lami nginje okay people okay la ngiyaphambanisa. I already know ukuthi okay I have to rectify here and here. You understand?
Yeah.
They know laba bazazela ukuthi hayi lapha we are on the right track. Hayi lapha siyakanya lapha itag.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay fine. Over with this one. Ngiyazi ngacina sibangenela lapha ngoba indlela lokho we wanna know anyway, so tell us the next round. Tell us Diva, how is the structure of Black Diva brand? I mean, like I know there's management and stuff. So how big is the group or the band or something like that?
No, the band. No, it's not a band. Black Diva is a solo artist.
Okay.
Yes, at the moment I don't have a band. Maybe as time goes on, if God blesses us, then we'll be able to have a band. We are looking forward to it. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So it consists of Black Diva and her management team, ne?
Yes.
Mhlambe nama dancers. Because I saw one of the videos. That one was fire, man.
Thank you.
Please, call us pinda ngayinye njani.
Siyabonga
Don't go
isizaliphindi.
even more further. That one was okay for our level.
Yeah. I'm releasing Onyawo Zami. I think it has got over 2,000 challenges now on TikTok. Yes.
So
and the song is not even out yet. Yes.
When is it dropping?
Okay. That one, man. It's fire.
Yes.
Okay, so will Power in collaboration with that JC, ne? Isn't it?
It's not
okay.
a collab.
The OJC was just part of the challenge.
I met my brother JC in SA, and then we just decided, okay, let's
do something.
Do a challenge. Let me do a challenge with your song, and you also hop into my song.
Okay.
Into my my challenge. That's what happened.
Okay.
But maybe in future I'll be able to collaborate.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So speaking, like we've spoken about the challenges you have faced so far as an artist, so moving along, like which changes would you expect to see being done in this industry, especially this side?
I want men to stop taking advantage of a girl child in the music industry.
Repeat this one. This one is powerful. I'm afraid to start limiting I'm afraid.
So male guys, mostly it's the big guys, and they're like sponsors, producers.
No. Let's don't talk about this one. No, like it's gonna block something somewhere.
No, but we have to speak about it, because if people are taking advantage of the girl child, bruh,
yes,
it's crazy.
Okay, fine. Okay. Tell us, man, is there anyone that you're willing to collaborate with maybe in the near future?
Yes.
Who's that, man?
I would love to collaborate with Master KG.
Master KG. I see your sound. Your sound. Master KG is gonna pick a. It's gonna be a big shit.
Yes, Master KG. I think I resonate to his sounds. Yes, I love his sounds. Trust me.
Yeah.
Yes, I love Master KG. Also love to collaborate with Makazi. She's great. I love her energy. I love her.
Dope energy.
Yes.
Too much energy from Makazi.
Exactly, and yet she's so dedicated.
Yeah,
very strong.
Yes. Yes.
Very humble.
And I feel like even also the upbringing, like you can also you can relate to that, the way she's like my cousin. She struggled with that
even the
chick,
sound talk, man.
Like even the way she grew up, like now speaking about Black Diva, you can
there's something in common.
You see, they got something in common.
Okay, Diva, do you have any celebrate crush?
Celebrate crush.
Yeah.
Oh my word. Yes, but
it's funny.
I'm not so quite sure if you guys know this guy. Yeah, his name is Rico Motsi. He's a model.
Okay.
Yes. He's from Harare.
What's his name again?
Rico Motsi.
Rico Motsi.
Yes.
Yo, Yambono sister saying chick.
You can check him out on IG. Yo, nigga is hot.
It's hot, man.
All right. So now my question now is here.
The nigga is hot.
There's a lot of artists. Like, which artist do you feel like is underrated? Like,
in Bulawayo.
Kid Thrill. Where is that nigga?
I don't even know him.
Kid Thrill.
When's that? He's a rapper.
Can I play something from?
Okay,
guys, you guys.
Do you know him?
Yo.
Kid Thrill. I've never heard of Kid Thrill.
Guys,
that's why she's saying.
Do you know that song Amasala Deluction?
Masala Deluction.
Yeah, the guy who did the chorus. Wait, let me check.
Deluction.
Yes.
Okay.
And that track also, that track also is underrated. But that song, especially that Kid Thrill's verse or chorus, yo, guys, that's raw talent.
Okay. Okay.
I feel like
That's a
there's
big
a lot of
song.
talent.
That's a big
There's
song.
plenty of talent
Shout out to
here.
Kid Thrill.
Shout out to you.
He's dope.
This is okusheka la yabo.
Serious.
There are a lot of artists that you know.
There's plenty, yeah.
Too
Guys,
much.
Kid Thrill. Aye. Guys.
I think we've never heard of him.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let me do this.
Do you think Uma9 is overrated or underrated?
For me,
Or he's not rated.
Oh, very agarethwa.
uyabona ukuthi uManene music wakhe uyacula uManene.
Inkinga kaMa9.
Mina on my side. Mina ngisheshe ngibambe ma ugcile kwelinye artist. I prefer someone who has got his own style.
Yeah, ne?
Yes. For me, I just feel like he's more into Enzo.
Enzo Aisha, ne?
He's a better version of Enzo Aisha.
Yeah.
Trust me, I'm not saying he's bad. He's good. But I feel like he can do better.
If engachiya le flow ka Enzo.
Yeah. I
And
just
be original.
Yes, maybe he is original.
It's not easy.
But to me, I feel like he can do better.
Or maybe I think Enzo maybe is his inspiration.
Yeah,
maybe.
man, it is role model.
You see? Yeah. Maybe this guy, he looks up to Enzo. You never know.
That's not a bad thing to look up to someone, but you have to
Come up with your own thing, man.
you
look
have
up
your
to
own
them.
identity.
Yeah,
Have
but
your
don't
own
copy them,
identity.
you see?
Yes, but I love the fact that he's representing Bulawayo on dancehall. Yes, with dancehall. Yes, he's representing.
Is he?
But sabe sibona Enzo but at the same time, yabo.
He is representing.
Okay.
He is representing Bulawayo on dancehall.
So, is he underrated or overrated?
Because I'm not so quite sure of his audience. So angazi ukuthi i-audience yakhe ime njani kumbe yabona.
When is it someone that you can spend your day listening to him?
Not really, no.
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
No,
understandable.
I rather listen to our Kiwe.
Our Kiwi.
Sometimes my klabela vele ukukhumbuza Enzo.
Yeah, because I rather go and listen to Enzo.
Straight to
Yeah.
pull it from the original
Yeah, the
source.
good thing is I can even hear Shona very well.
Okay.
You know, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So what's your message to Ma9?
Keep pushing, dog. You are doing a good job. Yeah, keep pushing.
And
Keep
be
pushing.
original.
Okay.
All right, moving along. Yeah, just a question: if you would have a conversation with an artist, dead or alive, who would it be?
Love Mama Jaivana.
I'm hopeful one day. Hopefully.
That guy is smart.
Very smart, ne?
That guy is smart. I respect Baba Machaivana kakhulu.
More than anything, I respect your song. I love your song. That Machaivana. Why is Shingo? Can you flow with us that one, man? Like, before we finish the session, man. Yeah.
Okay.
Why? In fact, I say shots in that pitch,
Yeah, I can't do that.
Yeah. Let's go.
Tilolilolilo.
Yo.
Tilolilo. Tilolilolilo. Tilolilo. Tilolilolilo. Tilolilo. Tilolilolilo. Tilolilo.
Why call Machaivana? Why Shingoma? Dog, yo.
Yeah.
That shit is dope, man. Yo.
Thank you.
Okay. So, yeah, is there any project that is there anything that you're cooking for your fans?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
What should they expect, like in the very, very near future?
Okay, I'm having a collaboration with Fury Gun.
Fury Gun. Oh, dog. Yazin. Ngiyavakasha phela music. Yeah, like ngihamba recorder with Fury Gun. He's one of the best people, but
he is good.
If I just come in, yeah.
And oh my word, I forgot this guy's name. He's really good. We had a collaboration. It's me, Fury Gun, and this guy. Oh my word, I'm so sorry, but I forgot your name. We recorded by T-Flow.
Okay.
And T-Flow. Guys, abantu bakobulawa, you guys are so, you know what, you're so blessed.
Yeah.
We have T-Flow.
There's this other guy. What do you call this guy?
That guy is good.
It's deep.
The quality. Yo, T-Flow.
Shout out
The quality.
T-Flow.
Yo.
There's a guy called Mtutuke. Do you know Mtutuke? Something like that.
Yeah, Mazi.
Yo, that guy
He's good.
I think
I love his beats.
His sound is dope, man.
Very, very nice.
Dope. Khona le trick abakhipha lapha belo Chong Prince, something like that. That guy, they called me yesterday, day before yesterday, and if no going simply started check,
it's dope.
It's fire, man.
It's fire.
The people are underrated out there.
Yeah,
I think if Abantu Black Diva, they recognize those people, ne? You can take those people somewhere, yabo.
They like exposure, those guys.
They like exposure, big time, man. Yabo. And it's very hard. I know Black Diva can take, dog, and ukuthi uzungene ku-industry dog, you work very hard, yabona kulama rejections, kula lock yabo. And if ungasatshwanga someone who's already in the eyes of the people, in the public places, ne? It's very hard. It's gonna be very hard. So, Black Diva, is there anyone that you maybe wanna push or that you pushing? What maybe since when we are already here, ne? Now we are willing to take the person to maybe to the next level.
I'm willing to take everyone with me. I feel like I'm an artist. They are very selfish when they're at the top.
Can you say that again?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. For you to nowadays, for you to stay relevant in the game, is to put someone else. Do collaborations. Don't be selfish.
And they got pride.
So much pride. It doesn't really. You have to be humble. Work with many artists as much as you can. Trust me, you will stay relevant in this game. And mina into engiyicela kakhulu especially kuma artists ala koBulawayo bengisacela ukuthi sifakane ezintweni
Connect each other.
Siphakamise iflag yakoBulawayo eMathebeleland mangithi Bulawayo lengixolela ngisho ukuthi koBulawayo nje kuphela ngizama ukuthi Mathebeleland, yes, the whole of Mathebeleland. I think siyasilela kwezomculo like sisemuva kancane ingoba asifakani.
Abantu abafakani.
Awuphumi lutho ngokufaka omunye umuntu egamini. Awuphumi lutho.
Look at the guys from Ash, like Abo Fantani, Fantani, what they used to do, dog.
Because you know what?
They recognize talent on you, ne? They don't live in anything. As big as they are,
yes.
They plug even the next person plug the next person.
Exactly.
Chain like that.
Yes.
At the end of the day, you are big, you get something, I get something.
There were these two guys, angazi amabizo abo. Ngabafana nje abancane. Baphuma besenze freestyle dance. Guys, if you can identify those guys, ngiyabadinga abantwana labana there, but kwaphonga kuphela nje ngabo. Benzi freestyle yaduma ku TikTok and
but if you can just call some of the maybe the lyrics nyana, maybe you might find them.
Kuthiwa impuphu usiswami. But I remember those two words they said when I channel usiswami. Awubona ukuthi
something like that.
Impuphu, something like that. Guys, bayi-two, so the other one is light skinned. Wayemncane kulomunye. The light skin was wayemncane kulomunye. Yo, Nkosi yami, even now ngayidinga ku TikTok ngayiswela.
Guys, please look for this for this boys.
I saw even Mana commented on their video But that time I didn't have also exposure. I wish I could have done something, but I couldn't do anything at that time. Really, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Bulawayo has talent.
Extraordinary.
Even way back then, kusacolo majaivana, kusacolo ubeti, upiata mangeti.
Yo, that was fire, man.
Ibulawayo
You
is
can even tell. My
bambile.
sister's even shaking their head, dog, nodding their head. You can
Ibulawayo
tell.
is bambile. But manje, engathi sibiselwa, angazi ukuthi kuhamba njani kumbe. But you know what Harare does. Like what you were saying ukuthi bangadiscover ukuthi le talent bakulana ngisho nasendlini mawuthi mhlambe sikula ma sponsor abakubulawayo siyacela ngoba I think into futhi challenge kakhulu indaba zemali if masingathola ama sponsor angaphakamisa I talent la kobulawayo siyazicelela ukuthi please Bulawayo is so much talent
big time
Bulawayo is so much talent. It hurts me when artists they come all the way from Botswana, South Africa to come and host here. I'm biggest gigs. Uthola ukuthi akula even artist la kobulawayo. Kumuthola ukuthi kulo yi1 or yi2. It hurts me so much. I'm an artist to balamba.
I hate that thing.
Ababa bookie. Bambe ba booka nga. It hurts me so
one
much.
One of the things as I looked at is this Piano Fest, ne?
Bulawayo shut down.
No, Piano Fest, no. Umzo 7 was an MC, man. Like that thing, talk like
dog. Not to say what he like, but Umzo 7 is one of the biggest artists in PYO, dog.
Is it ITF? Ukhona owakitho performa ku ITF.
Not even one.
Because I only saw I think I saw Holy 10 on the lineup. I saw Holy 10. But ansabona ngapha ukuthi guys
that's quite sad,
okunye I think ilathi kumele sizikhankasele ukuthi if there is any if there is no Bulawayo artist here
we don't go there.
Let's not ungabi khona la lo mcimbi la Bulawayo.
The main issue is the sponsors, because my sponsors bavumela these things to happen. But anyways,
I know sometimes I can't blame our promoters, because you know what promoters do? They work lapho ababona khona ukuthi kule potential kule mali.
So maybe they're not business, those guys.
Yes.
They're not business.
Our promoters, they work with people aba you know that time. Angazi ukuthi ngathi kumbe mhlambe problem yethu kumbe kunjani, but if kulungiseka cela ukuthi sikulungisise lathi that's another way of, like, you know, supporting and recognizing our own. Understand?
As much as Black Diva ishisa ngetakla these days, ne? Bazomfuna left, right and center, understand? So abantu they're after man. So I understand them, they're in a business, but I'm an artist themselves, they need to work on themselves, understand? Yes, not just to relax and expect people to promote in the morning and support and stuff.
But let's work together as an artist Bulawayo. Let's work together. Singabe le tendency lana ukuthi yo mina I have a name already. With this one who wants a collaboration with me. We are not silaleyo nto sometimes I'm artist you're a nobody, you're nothing. Follow the talent.
So for someone to qualify maybe mhlambe sithi to work with Black Diva in end of the project kumele mhlambe ebe umuntu onjani?
Mina I'm looking for talent.
Bafethu ngiyalizamela ngiyakhulumela la. Bazamela sister.
Talent. Lami ngabona ukuthi la kuyasebenzeka lo muntu. Siyasebenza.
Okay.
We can operate.
Okay.
But where there's no talent, Lami, I don't want to bring my brand down and say just for the sake of money or for the sake of whatever, let's just work.
Okay.
Asifuna futhi ukupheka itakla. Yes. But mamdele talent, let's try by all means. Ama radio stations sicela ukuthi le recognize especially ama upcoming artists. Ama OZBC angazi ukuthi ZBC sasekhona yini.
It's no longer there, we are here today.
There's the lifestyle podcast.
Ama podcast. Uthola ukuthi abanye kulabantu abafuna ukuya ku podcast kodwa uyabhadalisa uthi no, I need certain amount for you to come to the podcast. You have killed the talent already because someone maybe was going to I don't know, to recognize that boy or that girl through you.
Yeah.
And you know what's going to happen? In music industry, it's one small circle. You understand? Ungazubaleka uthini uthi okusala sizahlangana. Sikusemi industry. Trust me, that favor is going to come back to you.
Okay.
Wona usitshela ukuthi nomuntu lo hayi umvalele phandle, trust me, usuvalele nawe amathuba. Bekumele lawo kuphume. You understand? It's like that.
All right. Yes. So to any girl child out there who's looking up to you, who wants to become an artist, what do you have to say to them?
Follow your passion, follow your heart. Don't give up. Work hard.
Yeah.
Nothing comes for free.
Nothing.
Nothing. Akula ntetho iyavuka nje usuvuka. You work hard.
So you
work hard.
Yeah.
You work hard. Mina, I used to.
It doesn't work like that. Yeah.
That's true.
Gotta put in the work.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Working. I used to ukuyabhadala ama shows ukuthi nihlabele.
You have to pay.
Yeah, I would go and pay. In SA, Kempton Park, they know me very well. I used to go there. Ngabuya normally pay artist. DJ Bambala. Sometimes I'll travel all the way from HOs all the way to Soshangoe just to go and perform for free.
Nice.
Besebenze bengazi ukuthi maye sebuyile.
And some performance ambitious.
Uyabona, trust me. Bengicula mina for free. Ngiyezicelela ngisho lasema club ngicela if I will poster for free. And then abantu bethi Black Diva sechisa. I shared mina istage lapho Holy 10. I shared a stage with Andy Murito. I shared a stage lo Jar Signal. While I was performing for free. But no one knew I'm there for free. Ngangibuya ngidinga mina transport yami. Yeah, so I look for my own transporting. Sometimes you kukhona hayi amelanga ngenze izinto for free. Hayi.
Yeah.
Upassion Java wathi vuma kuphuza. Sometimes vuma ukuba isithutha.
Ichikama veg.
Yeah. Uba isithutha kakhulu futhi.
Yeah.
You understand? And see ubona ukuthi ngelinye ilanga awusozwine yini. One day is one day. So yes, it's about putting more effort, working hard, especially with music. Akulante pho ngokuthi ngaphandle vele la mama dlozi akho esebenza esebenza overtime. Ama esebenza overtime ya. Thina ke saba lo mnyama awethu shoot ayelele.
Okay. What are your maybe last words to your fans?
Okay. Into engithanda uyisho kuma fans ami ukuthi angila amazwi okubonga ngothandela imboniselona I'm nobody kodwa lingiphakamisile la ngifaka kwelinye izinga ebengingacabangeli. Ngiyabonga kakhulu uthando lwenu. I thank you for your support, your undying love. Loba ngiwenza amaphutha ngingumuntu, but they never gave up on me.
Power to that.
Yes. They still love me. And I love that for them.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyabonga ngothando lwenu. Lingakhathali, I will make you proud. And
I've made us proud already.
I'll raise Matebelele flag high.
Yeah.
I'll raise Mbabon flag high. Yes.
I love that. So I
would like to thank you, Black Diva, for pulling up today. It's been a pleasure. It's been an honor.
Can you please shout out to our podcast, man?
Okay. What did you say the name is?
Lifestyle podcast.
Lifestyle. Yeah. Okay, podcast. Okay. Shout out to Lifestyle podcast. Guys, follow them. They're amazing. The studio is amazing. Everything is nice. The reception, the hospitality. Guys, thank you so much. I felt like I'm home for a moment. Man. I even forgot you guys are interviewing me.
This is home.
This is how you confident home. Thank you for coming. So guys, Black Diva Yellow Boy.
The dream come true for us.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Guys, I'm releasing my new track, Nyawuzami. I'm also releasing Itilongo, recorded by Tifla.
Okay.
And the video was shot by Brooklyn Films. Okay. Yes, they're very good.
So very soon.
Check that one out,
to them,
guys.
Yes.
All right.
I can't
Thank
wait
you
for
so much.
Says let's be late, man. Say, thank you very much, guys. Thank you for coming, Black Diva. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Malume and the whole team. Thank you.